close it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing your little thing at home. Again, but I not say nothing because I drought time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire, go on, Parry, fire too much in the eat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. In the 5-star at the 5-star backyard.
Yes, I the jelly this year.
Whoa! You don't want your mother.
So Parry, this is my alma mater, one of my alma mater in St. Mary, Milico. It was when I was coming here, it was all age school. Now I think it's a primary, yeah. It's a primary. The infant school is down here now. This is my alma mater. Look nice. That building there over there, so I must see the bathroom. To the left right there. With the 2 tank on top. I never know it. And yeah. Then put in all some nice French window. Yeah. And I tell no lie. I like how they keep up the school. I not lie. I not lie. On YouTube, on camera. And then fence it. Yeah, that was the teacher's college, but it's not no more. Back in the days, when you're whoever was the principal, you would have, and that was like a little Delco house right there in the shadows. You would get, whoever gets the principal would be eligible to live at the teacher's cottage with their family. Yeah, so I go to I show you the play field where we would play as children. Yep, nice. Down the gully lawn here. This is where we would play. This is a bathroom. Big up, whoever do this, whoever MP or whoever, big up on yourself. Yeah, I'm glad. Glad to see this, yeah. This was where, this was down there. This was our playground where we would play. Sometimes teachers would take us out. If you can see a few old chair and decks there. That was where we would come. Sometimes we would come out. You know, when the time our teachers would take us out, as little girls, we would sit in our uniforms and we would come outside to get fresh air. Because you know, sometimes the claustrophobic thing, when it come towards the summer, yeah, all them little place, there was my track right back then. Glad to see how them fix up the schoolyard and it seems like it just recently cut and all of that. I'm really proud of it. Yeah. And then I left here after and went to Troja. Louisburg. I don't know if it's primary nor all age. I don't think it's all age. It must be primary, I think. Yeah, all age would go to grade 9. Primary stops in Jamaica at grade 6. Louisburg primary. Yeah, back then Louisburg all age. Yeah. It is also an emergency shelter for the ODPEM that they must show you. So if a hurricane come and you feel like say your house in a danger, we can come down here and shelter. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, up in the bush here, we have a nice primary school. I go back up a road now to Uncle Murphy. And I had that. Whoa, we're there at a square here, Louisburg Square up a shop here, Parry. Yup, the post office, I go down the gully here. Why? Lord Jesus. Yeah, but the post office is no longer in, it's not in existence. Yeah, but you know, how comes the post office now? Postal agency, it's not a PO, it's a postal agency. In Jamaica, PO is different from a PA. The postal agency is like a little, you know, where the district people then collect their meals. And all of that. Yeah. So, it's not in existence. They have to go all the way to Richmond to get their mail. Which is sad. That's really sad though. So with that shop here. So I shop in High Square. Yeah. We are look like food for eat and all of that. Look at dryers. Here the shop man asked me, flitters. Yeah, I don't know if I can put some in and put the camera up on the body. But with that shop, yeah. And all of that, Uncle Murphy and Dad. Yeah, man. So with the I'm my schoolmate shop, so we are look like dries for eat. Me I take grotto bread. Grotto. Like only when you come to country you see grotto bread. I want grotto bread. How that? Grotto bread and Pepsi. Where you buy, Dad? Uncle Murphy, where you eat? No, but Rupert, how much we bulla? Me I buy bread and bulla.
120.
For one, how much bulla? You want bulla?
Yeah, go ahead, no? What?
How much 3 pack of bulla, Rupert? Or you not sell it by pack? How much 3 pack?
5 guineas.
Give me 1 pack of bulla, then fresh?
11, yeah, man.
Yeah, give me.
I say one, get 5.
Alright, give me 1 pack of bulla there. You know all rusty butter there?
You know butter there, right?
No butter no there, Rupert. Rupert, you want to beat me, you know?
Alright, say butter on
Alright, me know. Alright, so give me 1 pack of bulla, 1 bread, 1 grotto bread. And where you not have ya? Ya mackerel?
mackerel.
You look a long one them. How much for the medium one there?
Marlin.
Alright, give me 1 medium mackerel. What you drink there?
Pepsi.
Give me 1 Uncle Murphy Pepsi for you too? Pepsi. 2 more Pepsi. With that bush mouth ya parry, with that bush ya.
We some pay there for egg.
Please to focus on me with this bull. Just hold this up.
Give me 200, I give 500 change me.
200,
Give me 200 and your coffee and you just give me 500 change.
Me not 200, you know.
Yes, ma'am. Sanjo get change, so make it.
She having her buller. Call that buller. Back in the days we call that cart wheel.
Yeah. So Parry, me go know a good look. This is the front part. I'm at my house. This is the shop where Mama used to have alongside the market. As you can see, pretty bad shape. It head up towards the gully. It head over the gully. But me I try my best to save it, you know. So, right there saw a little shop. Yeah. As you can see, you see a shop door and the 2 windows them. All of that, and this is one next little piece of next little part to it. This are the this are the hall. So we look a shop, the shop they dep on the house. Yeah. And right there so was the veranda. Or is the veranda and a little room attached to it. See? So right now you see how half me I come and St. Mary. I know how to see it, but certain things I not really put on camera. I try to see if we can save. This is my little, I hear some born and I hear some grow. So it's hard to watch this gully. So we have to look at things behind the scenes, but as soon as things, you know, we show them. So this is the before I eat. And all of that. As you follow me on my journey, you will see what go on and what happened. So this the original light meter was right there. That has been abandoned. So we have to go deal with the electricity and have it at a different point as we fix. So we are focused now to see if we can get them here. But this is where I was brought up. Yes, I'm a grow up. Yeah. All of that. Yeah. So I eat that Parry. I eat that. So me have a mission. I'm on a mission and I'll be taking it on that mission. Anytime you come, if you want to come look for me up a yard, yeah? You're welcome to come look for me, man, and see what I go on. Yeah. Champion banana. Let me see if I can carry it up. Yeah, man, we have to go, Alan, I have to go start out this down a bush mouth there. Yes, sir, run a back of mama yard, yeah. Champion Nana. Yes, sir. So, what you do there, Alan?
Yeah, I can't put down there and go chop them. Chop them.
Yeah, them boy you pass the road. What kind of wood this, yeah?
Orange.
Good strong wood that, you know. So, where you go?
Chop them up and I'm make up a fire to cook a pot.
Oh.
This bring with a meal, you know?
Yeah.
Then I will use a country.
Alright. So, you put on the coop top?
Yeah, man, tap the pan cook down.
Me see what going in there.
And just clean out them and
Fall ready. So you know fix up in nursery yet? Mind them duckans then all and you have to go spray them. Oh, you spray them already. I just the carcass I left. Yeah. All banana growing in your Cooper land?
No man, I'm
Sorry.
putting there so there.
Watch him. Okay.
The moon come for me, so I plant
Moon?
them every week.
Oh, so you plant the banana them with the moon? Oh. So all the moon business got in now with the banana?
New moon just come in. So you have to plant 3 days after the new moon.
Oh.
And then something when a full moon, you plant 3 days after the full moon. And then something there to get good bunch banana, you know.
Aye, Alan the farmer.
Yeah.
Alan the farmer said that.
I mean, say that man, Alan the farmer.
Yeah. So up in I could be coop tap you now, yeah?
Yeah. I still stop leak one, but
Yeah, we'll deal with that then. But it don't look like you're rat proof the fridge. Yeah, my fridge, they could be Alan, yeah?
yeah, man, it took, I go, no, me have some of them bag and when I have sugar, then I then look work.
Oh, you have to make sure so you sort out the...
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So the coop tap on. You want some stop leak, you know? Yeah, some flash ban.
Yeah, man, they stop.
Reasonable size coop this in a boy. As me tell you, you just want for them look apart there right there, so?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, you get that done.
Yeah, man, I get that, finally get that done.
At you. So, you say the banana, yeah, in the moonshine, after the moonshine?
Yeah, after the moon, after the new moon.
Oh, planting.
Plant any one of them.
Okay,
Banana, yeah.
okay.
And you have to know for planting, you know.
Oh,
That boar and take them up.
oh, that's our bora now.
You want black sin thing on down in the ground there.
Oh, like an insect. Oh.
When they start nyam underneath there, you kill them and kill the plant.
Oh, good, sir. So, you go start out the piece of wood there now.
I'm going to bust up a piece of wood now.
Mm-hmm.
And make up a fire.
Then show where you bust him up little part time, no? And what kind of, which number machine that you have? 32 or 28? Oh. Yeah, man. Oh. So when we see you next, we say, Pata go bubble.
Pata go bubble now, you know.
All right.